In this question, we have to find which of the following treatment will convert starch directly into glucose. First, heating with dilute H2SO4. So, whenever starch is heated with dilute H2SO4 at about 393 Kelvin temperature at 2 to 3 atm pressure, then it will hydrolyze and it will be converted to glucose, and this is commercial method of preparation of glucose which we get directly from hydrolyzing starch, and hence correct answer is A. A compound C8H9Br gives white precipitate when warmed with alcoholic AgNO3. Now if the molecule is giving white precipitate, then Br can be easily removed from this compound. Oxidation of compound give B, which is C8H6O4. This means this molecule must have two carboxylic group, and two carboxylic group on heating form anhydride. To form anhydride, COOH must be attached at adjacent position. So this compound should be, now this molecule on reacting with AgNO3 give white precipitate or yellow precipitate because of formation of AgBr. Now the carbocation formed is comparatively stable, CH2 positive, resonance stabilized, so it can form AgBr, which gives white or light yellow precipitate. Now this molecule on reacting with is strong oxidizing agent like acidic KMnO4 will be converted to dicarboxylic acid. So CH2 will be converted to COOH and COOH. So phthalic acid is formed, and now this molecule on heating will release water molecule and it will be converted to anhydride, and hence correct answer is D. Given below are the structure of few compounds with molecular formula C4H10O. Select metamer from these structure. Now metamers have same function group but difference in radical attached with polyvalent function group. Now in structure first polyvalent function group oxygen is present, in third oxygen is present. Now comparing these two structure, they have difference in number of carbon in radical attached with polyvalent function group. So 1 and 3 are metamer of each other. While comparing others, relation of 1 and 3 with 2 and 4 are functional isomer because they have different function group. Any molecule in which function groups are different are called functional isomer. Comparing 2 and 4, now 2 and 4 have same function group but there is change in position of function group, so 2 and 4 are position isomer. So correct relation for metamer 1 and 3, and hence correct answer is C. Normal butylamine, diethylamine and NN dimethylamines have same molar mass. So now this is normal butylamine, diethylamine. Now this molecule is diethylamine. NN dimethyl. Now this molecule is NN dimethylamine. All these molecules have same molecular formula, but now this is 1 degree amine, this is 2 degree amine, and this is 3 degree amine. Now 1 degree amine can form maximum number of hydrogen bond due to free available 2 hydrogen atom. Then 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine cannot form hydrogen bond. So boiling point is maximum for 1 degree amine, then 2 degree, and then 3 degree amine, and hence correct answer for the boiling point is 3, 2, 1, hence option A is correct. In this question we have to arrange following polymers in increasing order of intermolecular force of attraction. in fiber, plastic and elastomer. Now fibers have strongest force of attraction like hydrogen bond. So fibers are having strongest intermolecular force of attraction. Then thermosetting, then thermosetting plastic, then thermoplastic, and elastomers have weakest force of traction. Hence correct sequence is maximum force of traction is present in fiber, then plastic, and weakest is present in elastomers, because in elastomers weak forces like van der Waals force of traction are present. So correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following statement is not correct. On first statement, antiseptic can be safely applied to living tissue. This statement is correct. Antiseptic can be incorporated into deodorants, face powders and soap. Yes, this statement is also correct. Disinfectant can be also applied to the skin safely. This is incorrect. Disinfectants are used for non-living surfaces, so it cannot be used for skin, and hence incorrect statement is written in C, and C is correct option. A very dilute solution of few disinfectant can be used as antiseptic. This is correct. How many of these compounds are more acidic than phenol here? Now phenol is having pK value 10. Phenol is having pK value is equal to 10, and those compounds which have pK value less than 10 are more acidic than phenol. For example, formic acid. Formic acid is having pK value approximately 3.74. In fact, all of the carboxylic acid are more acidic than phenol. So any molecule which is having COOH group will be always more acidic than phenol itself. Now benzoic acid molecule is also having COOH group. So benzoic acid would be again more acidic than phenol. In fact, pK value of benzoic acid is 4.21, so less than 10. Picric acid. Now picric acid, if 3 NO2 groups are present on phenol, then this is called trinitrophenol or picric acid. Now picric acid is having pK value approximately 0 to 1. In fact, if 3 NO2 groups are present, NO2 are very strong electron withdrawing, so it would be more acidic than phenol. Next is ethanol. Now ethanol molecule is having pK value approximately 16. Now in ethanol, negative ion is not involved in resonance, so it would be less acidic than phenol. Water is having pK value 15.7. Again, after removal of H positive ion, negative charge of oxygen is not getting stabilized like in phenol, so it would be again less acidic than phenol. Orthonitrophenol would be more acidic than phenol itself because of presence of NO2 group. NO2 will increase acidic strength of phenol due to minus I and minus M effect. Now orthocresol is less acidic than phenol because acidic strength of phenol it decreased due to plus I and plus H effect of CH3 group. Now paranitrophenol would be more acidic. Paranitrophenol will be more acidic than phenol itself because of presence of strong minus I and minus M effect of NO2 group. Now paracresol, again CH3 is present at para position, so it will decrease acidic strength of phenol by electron donating effect. So now how many compounds are more acidic than phenol? So number 1 formic acid, number 2 benzoic acid, number 3 picric acid or trinitrophenol, orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol. So these 5 compounds are more acidic than phenol, and hence correct answer is 5. The structure of chloroamphetamol given below. If number of chiral atom in the structure is X and number of sp2 hybridized carbon atom is Y, then X plus Y. So first we have to find number of chiral atom. Now this carbon atom is chiral because all the groups are different. Now this is the chiral atom. Now this nitrogen is not chiral because its lone pair are involved in resonance, due to which it would be planar and so it will not be chiral. Now we have to count, so number of chiral atom X is equal to 2. Now we have to find number of sp2 hybridized. So 6 carbon atom present in benzene ring are chiral. In NO2 nitrogen is sp2 hybridized 7, and nitrogen of amide is also sp2 hybridized because lone pair is involved in resonance. So 6, 7, 8 and Y is equal to 9. 9 atoms are sp2 hybridized. Nitrogen, carbon, 6 these carbon and 1 nitrogen. So 6, 7 plus 2, 9. So X plus Y is equal to 9 plus 2. X plus Y is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So correct answer is equal to 11. Choose the correct reagent used in the given conversion. Now in first step, if we use bromine CCl4, then alkene will be converted to vicinal dihalide. Now this vicinal dihalide on treating with alcoholic KOH would be converted to vinyl bromide. Now using stronger base NaNH2, it will be converted to alkyne CH triple bond CH. Now alkyne on passing with a red hot iron tube will be converted to acetylene, and hence correct answer is D. In first step we have to use bromine CCl4, in second step alcoholic KOH, and so P bromine, Q is alcoholic KOH, R is NaNH2 and S is red hot iron tube, and hence correct answer is D.